Good morning. Today is Friday, April 19th, 2024. I'm here in Marsh Landing, and I'm over at the 27-foot long Boston whaler. I just want to get a quick comparison video, just so we can see how much growth is on the boat. This outdrive and on the starboard side of the transom has been cleaned, versus what hasn't been cleaned is the port side of the transom. So I'm just going to go ahead and compare the two. Now that growth extends the whole length of the boat, so it is going to take a little bit of time to get this all clean to where it looks like that side of the transom. But once it does, I am going to get another video. Just want you to see exactly what I'm dealing with.